Hey, this is Mark, markgps.com, and today we're going to take a look at 69854 Fatima Way. This is in Cathedral City, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,636 square feet, and it is listed for $524,000. And I want to give a thank you to Keller Williams, specifically Katrina Matthews, for letting me grab this video. They're very, very useful, especially when you're out of town like you guys are. Here's a quick swing around so you can see the street. Nice wide streets here, large front yards, nice sized lots, and the home itself looks like it's been spruced up quite a bit, but let's go inside and take a look. One thing I will notice out here and just point out is windows are updated and there is solar. I'm gonna have to take a look whether that is leased or owned. Okay, I walked in the front door and answering the question I just asked, solar, it is owned. Apparently there's also solar heating for the pool. So we're here in the living room. This is set up with a dining room area here. The swinging door is gonna go to the kitchen. You can see that there's a shelf, decorative shelf up there. I oftentimes say that's where your Christmas village will go. I do like the way that there's a fireplace dividing here, and that goes over to the kitchen and dining area on that side. So if you want to have a dining room out here, you could, or you could just make this into a large living area, which would be great. The ceiling is very interesting in here. They have the gable ceiling, and then they have the flat ceiling that's coming from the gable that goes the other direction. So I think that's kind of interesting. Nice view here towards the West Mountains. Those are going to be the San Jacinto mountain range. This is a tile that's on the floor. It's made to look like wood, and it's really nice. It looks really pretty. As I come around the corner, you're going to see the dining area. So this is either another family room if you want. The way this would be set up is you could have a TV over here, or you could do this as a dining room. So you have the living room is all set up on the side we were in. You can see that in here, the cabinets have been painted out with new hardware. You have a tile countertop. Again, the windows have been replaced, which is always very nice. You can see the contour of the ceiling in here continues and is interesting from the other side. The cabinets are, I'm gonna say original. Yeah, they look like they're original and then painted. And then we have the tile countertops, which is a cream tile, and then newer appliances except for the hood over the stove. The swinging door there goes to the living room. And then as I come around, you're gonna see the dining room one more time. There's the pass through to the dining room over the stove. And then we have a door that goes outside to the backyard, which looks super cute. I'm gonna step out there before I do the rest of the house. All right, as promised, outside. The house, I'm gonna zoom out a little bit so you can get the whole house. You can see what the house looks like. The ceiling or the roof is done as a clay, probably concrete actually, as I see it. And then up on the roof, the black stuff that you see there is the solar heating for the pool. Pool's in great shape. Looks like it's really nice. I like the planting. There's nice wall all the way around as I'm about to replace my back wall. I look at this with envy because they're very expensive and it's a good shape. Luma wood is the cover, fresh paint on all of the decking that's out here. And you can see that there's a nice view. 2 beautiful, mature Washingtonian or California fan palms back here. And again, I will point out the windows. It's always nice to have those updated. All right, we are gonna head back inside and take a look at the 3 bedrooms. Okay, for orientation purposes, let's start with the door I just went out and in to go to the backyard. And then I'm gonna turn to go to the hallway that goes to the bedrooms. The door there on the left is to the garage. So you're gonna have your 2-car garage there. And actually, no, that is incorrect. That is a closet, I lied. As you come this way, what you have in my left side is going to be a bathroom. We'll see that in a second. As I come all the way through the first door to the right, which is along the pool, this is gonna be your primary bedroom. And this is really a generous sized room. Again, I'm gonna do a little zoom out here to pull in the ceiling, but you can see that there's kind of like its own little kick out. So you would probably put your bed in this area over here with the fan, which would be really nice. And then you could have some seating in this area. It's a nice large space. And then you have the bathroom. Hey, this is Mark, markgps.com. If you've got questions about real estate, feel free to contact me. The lights are a little disco crazy right now. I guess that it just needs to be adjusted. It looks like the original shower, maybe with a new Yeah, I think it's just newly grouted, and then probably has a newer glass surround. Original countertops, original counters, or cabinets, I should say, and then it's been updated sinks and hardware. And then the bathroom all has the new tile that's been done throughout, but it is the original layout that's here, and you can see from a distance. Again, I'll zoom out just a little bit so you can see, and then we'll go back in. All right, so across the hall is the bathroom that I mentioned was behind the wall as I was walking down from the living room. So as I come out, you're gonna see that is the dining space off the kitchen over there. And then this is the main bath. So this home does have 2 baths. This is the second bath for the other 2 bedrooms. Again, original cabinets that have been painted, original countertops and mirror, and the bathtub, which is a drop-in. All that looks like it's in perfectly good shape. We have the bedroom that's going to be against the living room. So that wall there is where the entry to the house is. Again, you can see the floor. And then the front of the house is here. You can see that they're getting ready for the open house. And this goes out to the patio. And that's where we started this whole thing. So this is a nice sized room, queen size bed. I could see working very easily in here without a problem. And then we have the washer and dryer in the hallway on the way to the 2-car garage. That is actually the door to the 2-car garage. Original cabinets in here for storage. This would be where you would have, your linen closet. I'll zoom out a little bit so that you can see how this looks here. So bedroom on the left, bathroom all the way on the left. And now we're gonna go into the final of the 3 bedrooms. This one is on the west side of the home. Also probably queen size bed is max that I would put in here, I'd say. You can see the block wall that does go all the way around, brand new windows, and this has another slider closet that's actually quite large. And that is it. This is Mark, markgps.com if you have questions about real estate. And again, thanks to Fatima for letting us get in here. She's gonna sell this, I am sure, and I am gonna notice that there is a skylight in the hallway.